If you take projects on Upwork, your profile depends on getting those 5-star reviews and never anything less, especially now that Upwork has removed the ability to remove most types of reviews. So which clients should you avoid like the plague so you don't tank your profile? I'll give you a list of who to avoid so you can spot the warning signs. Hit the like button to boost this video, by the way, if you want to do me a small favor. So the first type of client that you should avoid at all costs is manipulative Mike. He uses guilt or pressure tactics to get you to do more work for less pay. Hey, I know you're really good at this and can get it done quickly. It would mean a lot to me if you could handle this extra work without charging more. We're really tight on budget right now. After all, we've worked together for so long and I'd hate to have to find someone else. You understand, right? He will keep disrespecting your time and trying to borderline blackmail you. Stay away. Get new clients. Here's the next type of client to avoid. Secretive Sue withholds important information, making it difficult to complete the project successfully. So here's what she sounds like. Here's a brief for the project, but I'll share the full details once we start it. Just trust me on this one. Everything will be clear later. Oh, and don't worry about the missing info. You should be able to figure it out. I'll fill you in when you really need to know. She will never share the info with you that you need, and it'll always be an issue with every single piece of info. It's going to be like pulling teeth to get that info out of her. Good luck getting a 5-star review from her. Here's another one. Scope Creep Cindy agrees on a project scope but continuously adds new tasks without increasing the budget. Great job on the initial design. Can you also create a few extra pages and add some animations? When I thought of another feature we should include, shouldn't take too long, right? Let's keep the original budget. I'm sure you can handle these small additions. She will always ask for more work and never agree to any of this. Overbearing Owen expects you to handle everything, including tasks outside of your expertise. I need you to design the website, write the content, and also manage your social media accounts. Can you also handle the customer support emails while you're at it? It's all part of the project, and I'm counting on you to take care of everything. After all, you're the expert, right? By the way, run my entire business for me, make it profitable, and I'll pay you $5 an hour. I'm not even going to comment on this one. Stay far, far away unless this guy listens to reason quickly. Set your boundaries clearly. You're not in the business of running his business. You're running your own business selling a specific service. No budget net. Insist they have no budget but expect high quality work for free, and it should be super fast and perfect. I really love your work and think you'd be perfect for this project. Unfortunately, we don't have a budget to pay you, but it's a fantastic opportunity for exposure. Can you do it as a favor? It will look great in your portfolio. Most likely he does have the budget and is full of it. Call him out and have him comply with your rules of how you want to do business. There's a video in the description about this, by the way, if you want to know more what your rules should be. Or move on to the next lead. Impatient Isaac wants results immediately and doesn't understand the necessary processes involved despite your well-optimized explanation, aka your pitch on the sales call. I need this completed by tomorrow. Why is it taking so long? Can't you just speed it up? I don't get why it takes so many steps. I suggest giving him a very high price for fast work because you can not have fast, cheap, and perfect at the same time. So you should charge him, give him some ridiculous number, 10x what you usually charge. If he wants a reasonable time frame, however, he can pay the normal price. Generally hard to convince to be reasonable, so stay away in general. By the way, do you want best practices of how to figure out who these people are and how to deal with them, how to properly do a sales call? We deal with clients all day long at our freelancer and agency community at businessmatter.com. So reach out if you want our best practices for all of the above and more. And by the way, the next video to watch is in the description. So just check out the list below and I'll see you there in the next video right here in the description of YouTube.